How to avoid risk when hiring a contractor. Eric Thomason here, owner of Blue Nail Roofing, and we had a great question from one of our viewers that wanted to know, what is an appropriate deposit amount to give my contractor on a roof replacement? And the reality is, well, there's a few things we want to talk about, but the first one I would suggest is know, like, trust the contractor you're working with. Before you're going to hand anybody any significant amount of money, make sure that you know them, you like them, you trust them. The second thing we'd suggest, just for everybody's sanity, would be payment terms. What's expected, how much, and when it's expected. That way you can both understand exactly what's expected and make sure you're comfortable with it. And that's the most important thing. Make sure the terms are acceptable and comforting to you as the consumer, the one that's giving the money out. But what we suggest, if you're dealing with an insurance claim, an amount equivalent to your deductible is a sufficient and significant amount to get the job started, to get everything moving in the right direction. Now, if you have a contractor that's asking for a significant amount or more than that, we would suggest you may want to wait until the material is delivered. Once the material's in place, it's in your driveway, you have possession of it, then a lot less risk to hand that check over to your contractor so that you're protected. And obviously, we suggest doing the research on your contractor. Make sure they fulfill their agreements, they have a place of business, and obviously, as always, wind or hail, call Blue Nail.